What's up, DC family? What's up, DC family? It's your boy Deshaun, man. We back. We're gonna switch it up, man. We coming to the new year, all types of different videos, man. So if you ain't like this video yet, I know y'all like money. I know y'all like money. Hold on. I know y'all like money. We got the ones, we got the tens, we got the fives, we got the 20s. We just missing them blue faces, but we gonna get there because that's what this video is for, man. We're gonna show you how to make money online. I know everybody heard of it. 2020, we late. Yep, 2019, 2018, 2017, 2016. Everybody been on this wave. But guess what? DC haven't. And now we're bringing this to the DC wave. You heard? We're going to start teaching how to make some money online, man. We're about to go. Next year is going to be crazy. We're going on a whole entrepreneurship wave the entire 2021. So this is day one, and we still in 2020. So I got my computer here, right here. I'm uploading the vlog as we speak. Right now, I'm uploading we went to the celebration in Lights, Newport News. We seen the light show. It was fire. But anyway, so let's get back to the real video. I have a screen recording of my store. Wait. I'm skipping. Hold on. I want to get to the good details fast and, show you how this store, show you how I made this money. Anyway, like I was saying, 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019, 2020. Everybody been doing it already. It's called dropshipping. So if you don't know what dropshipping is basically you taking somebody else's product, you making a website for that product, and you're selling it kind of as your own product, but it's really not your product. You're just like the middleman. You're making a sell, you're selling them this product, and somebody else is manufacturing the product. There's a whole nother supplier in a different country, or even you can get some suppliers out here in the US, but why not? You don't even need money to do it. You do not need money to dropship. I started with no money. $0. I always, like everybody else, you go on the line, you Google how to get rich, how to get money, how to make money online. It's a pandemic. It's 2020. Everybody lost their jobs. It's crazy out here. It's crazy, And I don't know about y'all, but me, I'm not trying to do that whole 9-to-5 thing for my entire life. I'm just not trying to do that. Every time I tell people that, they get mad. Why you don't want to get a job? Why you don't want to work around? Because I don't. I want to be a fucking boss, and that's what I'm going to do. Me and my motherfucking wife and my family, we're going to be bosses. This is just a little experiment. It's something I'm definitely going to get into, dropshipping. Obviously, that's why I'm starting. This is the day one, but it's going to be a journey, and we're going to record that whole journey, and you're going to see it from scratch. The progress, the income, the everything. I'm going to show you how to do all of it right now. Not all of it. I'm going to break it up into different videos and show you different ways how to make money. And as I'm finding new ways to make money online, I'm going to show y'all. DC fans, the wave. This is our wave. We're going to create generational wealth. That's the whole point of the DC wave. We're creating a wave of income, a whole different lifestyle for not just us, but for our family, for our kids, for the kids' kids, so on. So I decided to do dropshipping. I watched a few videos. Shout out to AC Hampton. Shout out to Biza. Shout out to the Ecom King. I started this dropshipping store. I started doing my research. Shout out to everybody I just mentioned, plus way more. I can't think of everybody from the top of my head, but Sharif is another one. I've been watching a lot of dropshipping videos, and I was like, why not? Why not take action? Like, it looks so easy. It seems so easy. You can make online money. Why not? I don't see why everybody's doing it. So I started doing my research. What's the best top selling item? What's trending at the moment? What people like? What's some good ads? I looked at some competitors, and I broke it down. And let me take out my phone and show you. I broke it down And I decided, my bad, I'm a little distracted. All right, I have to pull up the video. But I broke it down and I decided I'm gonna make a dropshipping store. I'm gonna do this. Why not? Let's see how it go. This is day one. I either made money in this store or I failed this store. Either way, I'm gonna keep going. This is just the first store. This is my first time ever trying this. Ever. You understand? And I think for the first time, I did pretty good. Did I make money? Wait till the end of the video, you'll find out. So I decided, let me do this dropshipping store. I started doing my product research, started watching videos. I got 3 little girls, so I'm like, you know what? What would my 3 little girls buy if they were like 5, 6, 7, or they was on the internet and they say, oh, daddy, I want this, blah, blah. So boom, I seen this one product that stuck out. I don't know if y'all can see, but this is a little sneak peek of the store. See? It's a LED projector. Everybody like LED lights. Nowadays, you go to anybody's room, any studio, any lounge, you'll see LED lights around the wall, or LED lights around the TV. So, fuck it. 2021, we going all LED. I got a company coming soon, a product company. I can't say too much, but it's gonna fuck this shit up. I'm gonna show y'all, I screen recorded the video right now. I did my, whatchamacallit. Right now, the store is temporarily closed. I just closed the store after I did this challenge right now, this dropshipping challenge. It was just a test. It wasn't a real store. It was just to see if I could make money and if I could build a store and just see if it's something I want to do, you know? But I'm going to definitely make way more dropshipping stores, way more stores. I'm going to really take this serious. 2021, and y'all going to see. I'm going to be that top dropshipping YouTuber up you see here and all that. Remember, 2021, we coming crazy on DC Wave. We doing daily videos, we doing pranks, we doing vlogs, we doing skits, we doing everything. Everything. Whew. Everything. But yeah, before I closed my store, I screen recorded this entire store. So I'm going to show you a video. I'm going to have it up in the top right corner. Top right corner, you're going to see this video of my store in a few. 3, 2, 1, boom. So yeah, this is my store. I got my top selling product, the Ocean Lights projector for $49.99. I got everything, the trophy, the key items of the store. I got the quick links, everything, our mission statement as a company. The store looks amazing. Look at this. Let me just show y'all through the store. Just look at the store, the catalog, the contact us, the shipping information. Look at these 3 products. What? Reviews, everything about this is my first time doing this. Remember, first time doing this. The domain globallights.com. I did everything to the T. I did my research. This is crazy. Look at this. It's beautiful. Pictures, reviews, all of that. This is a curtain light I was thinking about selling. I had an LED projector globe, and I had something for the kids with the stars and the moon. Look at that. Beautiful. But yeah, so anyways, as y'all watching this video of the store, I'm going to just tell y'all a little bit how it went. So I made this store, you know, I did the temporary dropshipping procedures, you know, go to Shopify, get the Beautify theme, top selling theme. I got the products. I got Orbello to export the products into my store, add reviews, all of that. I made this store. Look at this. It's beautiful. I found an ad. On Google. I did a pre-made ad. That's where I probably messed up at. I basically took somebody else's ad and just made it my own ad. Uploaded to Facebook ads. Only use a $50 budget, but I think I did the wrong ad sets when I was doing the ads. So if anybody go with ad sets or know a good video, I could go see some, you know, how to master them Facebook ads. Let's do it. So let me just jump right to it. All right, yeah. I failed. I failed the dropshipping, but don't let that discourage you, nor I didn't let that discourage me. It was my first time ever trying it. It's not as easy as it seems when you're watching the videos. You're not gonna make 50, 70, 100,000 in 1 month unless you really know what you're doing. But I only got 10 people to come. I only did the ad for 3 days too. 3 days, $50. No, my bad. 3 days, $45, $15 each day. And I only did one niche, one ad set, which I messed up. You should not do that. So my advertisement didn't go as crazy as it's supposed to go, and unfortunately, I didn't get no sales. But I'm gonna be doing more videos where I try influence marketing and I try YouTube ads, Google ads. We're gonna keep doing this. This is just the start. This is just the start. Trust me, Deshaun. All 2021, we go entrepreneurship, entrepreneur videos, business videos, coaching videos, credit videos. Everything is going up on this channel, as long with the skits and all that. But yeah, so lesson learned. Don't try to rush and do something. I'm not saying I rushed and did it, but I didn't do enough product research. I don't know if this product was even really going crazy because the ad I seen was kind of old. So I don't know at the moment if it's going crazy, but these products, I'm gonna do something with them. It's not over. I might not drop ship, but I'm gonna turn these into something. I'm gonna make a big ass LED company. Y'all gonna see. Let me stop talking. But yeah, if you like this video, like it down below. Comment what you think I could improve. Remember, don't violate. This is my first time trying this. My first time. At least I got people to come to the site. At least I did an advertisement. At least I made a store. At least I took action. Some people don't even do that. So we're gonna let y'all know when we get a profitable dropshipping store. We're gonna continue doing this. This is only day one, all 2021. How much 20s I said? All 2021. I'm coming for y'all. All y'all entrepreneurs, all y'all YouTubers, everybody doing e-commerce. I'm about to even get into Forex, all of that. I'm coming for y'all. I want the bag, and I'm gonna get that motherfucking bag, you heard?